Hi, good morning. I'd like to welcome everybody here in this course, which is Physics 120 online. I will here show you an orientation. I will be with you in an orientation video just to show you what we have and how to access like everything in this course. These here PowerPoint presentations, I will not use them, but you can use them as like summarize for your work. These you will be able to access from content. Then under content, you will find PowerPoint presentations. These are really the PowerPoints. As I said, it's a summary. Course modules here, you will see home pages where I will be able to show you maybe kind of resources and things related to the course that I'm gonna talk about. Then this is really here. You will see a video, you will see also the PowerPoint, and here are the lecture notes. Okay, and this is for every chapter. And one more thing is course grading. I will share this with you. This one here is very important. It is called course acknowledgement form and submission. I want you to read the syllabus carefully, and then you are going to use here this submission link to access and submit, sign the form and submit it. I will show you also something about this. The exams, you will see a link here that is going to show you exams. Here there is the equation sheet that is going to help you, and here the quizzes and the homework assignments. I prefer, okay, here also I added a link called WebSign Help. These are videos to help you how you're gonna submit an assignment in WebAssign and how to attach a file to an assignment in WebAssign as well, because you might have free response questions. Let's go over the syllabus first. Now for the syllabus, of course, this is Physics 120, elements of Physics 1, no class meeting at all. All the lectures and material will be recorded online. Okay, office hours. I have my office hours Thursday to from 10 to 11. And of course, they are going to be also virtual. Okay, I will share with you the link for the office hours. The textbook, I'm going to use a free textbook, which is the OpenStack College Physics. This is going to take you there where you're going to be able to view it online. You might want to download as a PDF. You might order a print copy. Okay, you have all these options for you. All right. Let me go back here to the syllabus. Now, you need to, of course, read it carefully, as I said, and I will discuss it with you here. I'm going to say we have here, of course, lecture exams. Okay, I'm going to test you in the lectures. Homework assignment and quizzes, all are mandatory and must be taken when scheduled. They cannot be made up at all. We are going to use the tool for the homework, which is the WebAssign, and that one is going to cost you $37.95 dollars for this course. You will access the WebAssign from Blackboard. Don't go to Cengage and create an account there. No. Okay, what you are going to do is, for example, let's say here, where is the, let's say the quizzes. I deleted the quizzes from here. Let's say here. And let me put myself in the student view. Okay, and let's say I'm gonna have quizzes I'm gonna go for quiz 1, launch content. It's gonna take you to Cengage, and it's gonna ask you to create an account. If you have an account already, you're gonna hit that, but okay, you're gonna create an account, you are a student, and then you're gonna continue with this. Okay, then you are going to access WebAssign from the Blackboard itself. Let's go back. You need to read the syllabus carefully, understand all the content, ask questions, and sign in the acknowledgement form. You can find the acknowledgement form in the last page. Also, I will upload one to Blackboard. Here is, look, acknowledgement form submission. You're gonna have the blank one, it's here, all right? And you are going to have also like the submission. Now you are going to state here which physics 120, section 40, course title, elements of physics 1, today's date. I have received a copy of the course syllabus and was present when the instructor discussed the contents. If I was not present, I have received a copy of the syllabus, digital or hard copy, and have had an opportunity to read it and ask questions about it. In particular, I was able to view, understand, and agree on class policies related to exams. I understand that there will be no makeup exams under any circumstances, and I have the right to drop one exam only during the whole semester. You're gonna write your last name, first name, sign, and date. And of course, after you are done, you're gonna scan it. You are going to submit it here. This is due by Wednesday. If you are not interested in the class, I know by Wednesday you will not submit that, and you will be dropped from the class to add the student on the wait list. Quizzes or exams are timed. The quiz will be available for 30 minutes and the exam for 1 hour and 30 minutes. You may have to upload your answers to WebAssign. Please practice this skill very well. You need to learn how to scan your work and upload to WebAssign. It is your responsibility to assure submitting your work on time. And here are some of the examples where you're gonna have emergencies. You were not able to submit your work because of technical difficulties, then that exam is gonna be dropped. You were sick, or somebody from your immediate family got sick, or you were involved in a car accident, or somebody passed away, or you are asked to go to a funeral, or you have a doctor or dentist appointment, you were called to work, any emergency that might happen. The questions in all assignments, they can be either multiple choice or essay questions, and you should show all your work for the essay questions, which are the free response. Now here I'm giving you an example of a free response. An object is initially moving with a velocity of 9.3 meters per second. The object is accelerating at a rate of 2.3 meters per second square, 4.97 seconds, in a direction opposite to the motion. Calculate the final velocity. On a scale of 5, you should provide the equation for 2 points. Plug in your numbers for 1 point, the math 1, and the unit and significant figures 1. There will be 6 exams total with a maximum of 100% each, offered through WebAssign. Exams will be held on Fridays. Each exam will open and will be available from 12 a.m. on a Friday, and it will be timed for 1 hour and 30 minutes, and it will be due by Friday 11:59. I will drop the lowest exam. Only 5 exams count towards your final grade. Because I drop 1 exam, you don't have a makeup. Okay, should you miss an exam, the missed exam will count as the lowest one dropped. And I repeated here, what are the things that they're gonna make you drop an exam. I advise you not to drop an exam unless it's a real emergency, because you never know what's gonna happen. Here I'm providing you the exams with the chapters and the due dates. The quizzes, they will be offered through WebAssign. They will affect your grades significantly. Some of the students, they will not start working on them now, and they're gonna say, "Oh no, they are not actually important," and then they're gonna lose a lot. Okay, and that is my advice for you from day number 1. Start working on your quizzes and homework assignments, because they are going to affect your grades significantly. Both are really usually due by a Friday. Your grades will be determined based on this scale, which is the scale of our department. Now, this is the weight for the assignments. The quizzes are 17%, the homework is 15%, the labs are 20%, and I don't have a control over the lab. This is for your lab instructor. He or she is gonna determine. For the exams, each is gonna be 9.6. These are learning outcomes, and some of the resources for you. These are the topics that we are going to discuss, and this is a detailed tentative schedule, which means it might change based on being maybe not able to cover something, or it's I will say it is tentative. Okay, here, this is the equation sheet for all the exams. You're gonna look at it where, we have all the equations. This one is really important for you to understand. You have a total of 14 quizzes, each 10 points, and total of 14 homework assignments, each 20 points. The total 5 exams after dropping 1. Okay, and let's assume here one student got 93.75 out of 140 in quizzes, which is 67%, and in the homework 189 over 280, which is 67.7%. For the exams, 200 out of 250, that is 80%, and for the lab, 80%. These are the percentages stated, the weights for the assignments stated in the syllabus. Okay, 17% for the quizzes, 15% for homework, 48% for exams, and 20% for lab. This is how the grade is gonna be the total. 67, which is this one, multiplied by this one converted into decimal, 0.17. Plus 67.5 times 0.15 plus 80 times 0.48 plus 80 times 0.2, which is for the lab. Then the total here is 76. All right. Now compare this with another student who has completed very few assignments. Then in quizzes got 14.3% and homework 28.5%. And I'm gonna assume this student was very active in exams. He or she did very well in exams, and in the lab did the same. Look, the grade is gonna drop to 61.1. This student is gonna pass. This one is not gonna passing because of the homework and quizzes. I want you to understand every piece I was talking about now. Read the acknowledgement form, sign it, submit it on time, and if you have any questions, bring them to me. Soon I will work on finalizing chapter 1 for you, because you have assignments that they are really due by Friday. Thank you. Have a great day.